Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to fix Stockx error code 400. So let's get into the video. So if you have this issue, this 400 error issue, that's mainly because your account has been, for some reason, has been on hold, or there is an issue with your account. So for some reason your account has been blocked or it has been put on hold. So the best thing that you can do to fix this error is simply you can contact the customer support, but that's going to take some time for them to respond and fix it up for you. But the best option that you can simply do is, since this is an error with your account, you can simply create a new account. So you can just log out of this, hover to your profile and hit on logout, and then log out of your account, and then just create a brand new account, because it's free and all you need is just a new email address that you need to sign up with. So that's pretty so signing up a new account will be the best option to fix this issue. So I hope this information is helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.